lovies, Merry Christmas. I'm at the beach. Today is a Christmas beach day. You can see the water in the background. And I'm chilling like a villain. We just got here. So I'm gonna set myself down. My feet were hot, so I had to come get the water, dip in the water. So the water is lovely. Hope you guys are having a great Christmas day. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays from Jamaica. Smooches. Pretty beach. Pretty, pretty beach. Loving my life. Are you loving yours? Oh, the view is so beautiful. If you look down further down on the beach, where those things are, that's where we're gonna have dinner. It's called Little Ochi's Seafood Specialist. It is such a beautiful day here in Jamaica. The water is so nice and warm. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I swim in the water. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You see Stella. Stella done got her groove back. You see she done got her groove back. Go on Stella. Having Christmas fun on Party Beach. I'm trying to get my tan on. I'm wet because I went in the water. The waves beat me up a little bit, but it was so much fun. The water feels so delicious. Oh my God, you have to experience Christmas in a Caribbean island. Jamaica, Barbados, St. Lucia, Trinidad, Bahamas. You have to experience it just once. And I promise, you would not want to come back. I mean, spend Christmas again in the States. My opinion, and I'm sticking to it. All right, I'm going to see you guys later. I'm gonna sit here and get a little sun. Let the sun kiss up my skin. Kiss it up, Canela, kiss it up. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, smooches.
Alright, how you want me to prepare the shrimp? Garlic, curry. Yeah, garlic. Yeah, how you chew garlic? Alright, so Bobby,
So I am home, just got home, I'm tired. I had a beautiful day today at the beach. A nice day at the, with friends and family. We had seafood. I will insert some pictures. I am so stuffed. I couldn't even eat it all. But I had a great day. I'm tired. I'm waiting for little princess to get out of the shower so I can get in. Our guests are using the other shower, the other bathroom on their side. So me, the husband, and the little princess are sharing a bathroom. everybody had a great Christmas. Hope everybody got what they wanted for Christmas. Yeah, I'm tired. I just want to take a shower and hit the hay. What time is it? It's 6:38. Boy, it seems so much later. Excuse the talking in the back. They talk so loud. My husband and his friend, they talk loud. They have like very loud, booming voices. They woke me up so early this morning. Like at 7 o'clock, they were in the living room. Brrr, yapping. So loud. Like, I want to sleep late. That didn't happen. And besides, the little princess needed me to take her hair out because I had changed the brand of hair that I usually use, and I think he gave her like, it's giving her allergic reaction in her scalp, so I had to take the braids out. $100 down the drain. But you know, just for her comfort, I had to do what I had to do. So that was my Christmas morning. My guests love their Christmas gift, the spa robes that I got, king and queen. They loved it. They in turn gave us some Mushood t-shirts. If you're from Brooklyn, then you'll know what Mushood is. But they gave us a Mushood t-shirt, and my husband got a Mushood tank top. So that was very nice of them to do. Tomorrow we are going to the town of Bath for some massages from the Rastas up in the mountains on the other side, but it's in the town of Bath. Okay, I'm about to end this vlog for today. Again, happy holidays, Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, season greetings. Tomorrow's also Boxing Day here in the West Indies. It's pretty quiet for Christmas. You know, everything just seemed like a regular day. No like Christmas lights like you usually see. I mean, there's here and there, but not as much as it usually is, because usually music is like, you can hear the music from where I'm at. It's like no music. Everything just seems so, you know? But that's okay. It is what it is. So, I will check you guys tomorrow. I tried to do a good job of videoing, but there was a lot of music. There was music on the beach, so I don't know if I can like put those clips up. You can check my Instagram, Canela Talks, at Canela Talks. Have pictures posted. But I took some videos, but there was like a lot of music, and I don't really understand what the copywriting thing or whatever, so I don't want to take that chance. So on that note, have a good one, love bugs. Merry Christmas. We reached 25 days of Christmas. Smooches. Give me a comment down below. Say hi. I will say hi back. Subscribe. Like the video. You can share if you want. Sharing is caring. Talk to you guys later.